This is lesson 10.9, the volume of pyramids, cones, and spheres. So we have 3 different shapes we're going to look at today. So in your notes, I want you to write down, the volume of a pyramid and a cone. B equals 1/3 base, big base, times the height. Big B, remember that from our last video, is the area of the base. And then the volume of a sphere is 4/3 pi r cubed. So write down those formulas. And we're going to do 3 example problems, 1 of each. Okay, find the volume of the cone. So, to find the volume, I'm going to do 1/3 times the area of the base. Well, the area of the base, I'm going to do that on the side. Area of the base is this circle, and the area of a circle is pi r squared. So that would be pi times the radius squared, which is pi times 9. So then you take out your calculator and you do pi times 9, and that equals 28.3 feet squared. So now I'm going to go back to my volume and put that in for the big B. So this number is my big B. It's the area of my base. So 1/3 times 28.3 times the height, which is 10. So then I take out my calculator again. I do 1/3 times 28.3 times 10, and my volume equals 94.3, and if you remember, volume is feet cubed because this was feet squared and this is feet. So feet squared times feet is feet cubed. So 94.3 cubic feet. Okay, so try this one. Find the volume of the square pyramid. So try this on your own, and then we'll go over it. Okay, so my formula is the same. 1/3 times the area of the base times the height. So I'm going to do the area of the base over here. Now, if you look, this is a square. It has the little tick marks, which means that they are congruent. So the area of the base would be base times height, which is 6 times 6, and that's 36 feet squared is the area of the base. So I'm going to put that in here, 36, and then I'm going to times that by the height, which is 10. So then I get 1/3 times 36 times 10, and my volume is 120 feet cube, or cubic feet. All right, and the last example is a sphere. So it says find the volume of a sphere with a diameter of 7. So a diameter of 7 means that my radius is 3.5. So try this problem and then we will go over it. Okay, so I have the volume equals 4/3 times pi times 3.5 cubed. Now, if I am going to do this properly, I'm going to do my order of operations. So I have to do parentheses first and exponents. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. So I'm going to do 3.5 to the 3rd power first. So then I see that it's 4/3 pi times 42.9. And then I'm going to times that by pi. And then I'm going to do 4/3 times 134.7. And I get 179.6. 179.6 and then I look at my unit, and my unit was meters, so it would be meters cubed. So volume equals 179.6 meters cubed. So that's it for your notes.